Odofo mame na wase ahobrasie mu na me ma akwaba emfamra dwumadi a atune dini Nkuranhyemre ewo Adom TV ya wo somfo wakoa Dr. Apostle Nite Kotego mitidwoma me de ho chia me ene so bebeka asem ya kire wo afa tumi bi a wo a se be wo hye no nso bebree na nam wiase a wo twadwa asu bebree na wonam a mebree mini hwie na wo kan sam a se be ensem fata efa won ho efa empo won ho kani ho efa won abrabo ho ene de meso masrew se nyanya janya wo kan nyinara na tie me. You create your own life results. Wa brabo ne awunya nyina no de awunya ejina wa so. Your mind is the most powerful thing in all of creation. If abode nyina efri nua so bedi nipa so a wa dwene a ekura wo no ene ade ba ko a esombo. Yet most of us take what enters there for granted without scrutiny. Sabe wo fie na ho ba ha wo hwe na nikanche na we opede wa ha ubu nsuo kra hwe nsuo no mu se emu aye fia na waduane kra wo nim niam a wo de hye de mu na sabe ankoku eye so be yesa nanso adwene kra wo no ya na watena jaje mu ntumbo enhwe niam a ewura wadwene proso niam a wo yifiri mu. It is time you begin to scrutinize what you entertain on your mind, your thoughts. For as you prosper in your thoughts, so shall your life prosper. Most of us believe we don't have control over what we think about because our thoughts seem to fly in and out all day long. So, adwena automatic. Usana pa me ko adwuma adwena wadwene me ko pesika na say ewura mu na epie enti wish for say uni so to me say bibu abrabo. If there's anything in life that requires a studious watchman, that requires a meticulous supervisor, then it's your mind and the thoughts you're allowed to stay there. Say bibu abrabo mu a ehia say obema na watchman gate part ano na what say we ma na nwura mu a adwene a omakwan na ewura wadwene proso. To love or to hate is a matter of your mind and your thoughts. To succeed or to fail is generated in your thoughts. To be good or bad, to commit sin or to maintain righteousness, they are all elements in your thoughts. Nothing happens without you first thinking about it. To be strong or to be weak, to face setbacks with ease, or to crumble in the face of challenges is a thing of your mind. So obetiashe, so obejina, so obedo, so obetan, so obeti modini ana abekire odo adi, so mpo obe bone ana pepa, e wadwene pronso, enye bonsam bi. Me de ya na obi kasa bonsam o wiase amese wo boa, wo bonsam Nyankopon eye adwene a wodwene. Sabe menyi ni se odwadwen fi a benya ne mapapa ena menyi se odwadwen pa ne mafi bebo abrabo mu. The secret to your life is a power that resides with you only. It is free. That secret is the power of your thoughts. We are all creations, or we create our habits. Usubai woneye woni e ben wo ni woni atwi wo ho free wo nyina ne nyina so eye adwene a wodwene wadwene betima aduhwa na aka akra ben ho wadwene be adufi na apamo akra afiri ho we susuma de na meka kire wo ye kasa empaibo a eye empaibo ye adwene a wodwene se woni onyankopon e kasa na wo soma wadwene akɔwiemu na ede ne ma brɛ wo saa so na no me so te enti ya adwene a ya adwene no and the Kenya sunsumfi and sunsum papa. We all have been made to follow the pictures that were planted in our minds by our parents, by our peers, the way we were brought up, and then our communities and our nations and our environment. Yenina adwene na da no nyina so eye etete de ma yefi yankwadabram. Nyina so eye ne yesua ne yehunu. Nyina so eye woni ani bokosata frɛ. Nyina so eye sɛ ehunu ehun sɛ Ghana fo. Anaya nkranfo ana me de me framantem ni and I'm the American. Saying in a so way, and a Kenya wajuni, Papa mu boni mu. Therefore, your thinking patterns appear to have been programmed to behave in a certain way, to engage others, and to face life in a certain way. So you engage life as a Ghanaian. You engage life as a Ghan. You engage life as a man or a woman. It is wrong. Begin to see yourself first and foremost as human. Begin to see yourself as a product of God and project yourself as such. Then you think like that. Men who say yankani, what they won't can form. Can I can form a Jew? A low boy, or Jashante man, a low boy, I will Jew. No yaka bomo adesha Jew. No yaka adebo ni Jew, nyumo nichumo Jew. No yaka nyumo wana ni. Eka wa boy aka nyumo bomo. No wa isha aka nyumo bomo. Hunu hu se sebe obe to nkanfo mu ana be to akanfo mu. Ne mom ofiri osoro Nyankopon ensa na adwuma. E na do ba dua Ghana ha. Enti dwene se obi a wo ye wo bo ade eba. Ma wa dwene enkenya wo se obi a wo ye odini ba. Na hunu say what dey osafata. The moment you begin to rewire your thoughts from the way you have been programmed to think, you rewire your life and your life outcomes. We all have a mind of our own. Even though people have planted things in our minds, certain things have been planted in our minds as good and bad. What we must fear, what we must call negative, what we should agree with, what we shouldn't agree with. Because the memu hano, sabe, so unko school point, unye nipa. Sabe, one table of four, unye krache. Sabe, one shatare kama, sabe, one sem fata, one poye. Aya adwene a obi na aduago adwene poso so no kura na. Sabe, so ameka twinche sabe mpoye. Na ma ha Ghana tare sabe me ni nyansa. Isa ma she coat hanche na sabe krache. Aya adwene a wodwene na sa adwene na anya papa. Adwene a wodwene na Kenya o ma ye ne ma wo ye wogitum se dia wo hye fataw na wo ye o mama emfa ho ne obi to adwene proso obe ne amama ye. Develop a level of wisdom and understanding based on how you see yourself, what you want to become. You are made to be great. You are made to be wonderful. You are made to create things. Indeed, you are not made to consume. You are made to contribute to life. Stop seeing yourself as no one because you don't have a university degree. Indeed, education is good. It enhances your horizon. But yet, even if you have never gotten to any education level, you still are a creation of God. Adishiaye, unya bodni doctor, professor eye, nenso so, fa so unya bodni, ni obetimi de wadwina ye no, ebe bro entiase so. So you to say wo tumi bi wadwina poso. Na odwina adwina ne nyina so ye wodo. Odwina adwina ne nyina so ye ahobrase. Odwina adwina a nyansa adokro no. Na wodwe adwene a empo yedie ewo mu na osane no mamu bisa se de na atosi mabrabo mu na de na betimi aye na mabrabo asumbo atumpon. There are millions of thoughts that come to your mind every hour. It's up to you to say yes to some of them, to say no to some of them. Yenko ya kayaka de yenko bo awrisie yenko say yensu yeni ayrewo yenkasa ayedion ni nyina ya adwene baba adwene proso ni obi na de to adwene proso na adwene ho. Jai adwene bi a wodwen no na ka wo hye na pe adwene abadwene betimi ekenya wo. There are times you have to say no to some thoughts. You have to say yes to some thinking. Ejina wo so ahana me no bejina na ma men kan kire say you can always make a difference in your life if you think differently from how others are thinking. You are made unique. Think in unique ways. See yourself as different and live as different. Onyame enhyira wo ahana meja wo dwene adwene be Kenya wo dwene adwene ade odo nya hobrase nam na dwene adwene a ade ahosepe na ne jebe ma wo woni onyame ntra betimi afre me Apostle Dr. Anita Kotego meja so me da Ejawabek Ampedu na Randolph ase one of my producers na mada Osmosis me sound MCR na floor manager and lighting for ase ne camera fo nyina se ana meja wo koso ana hwedwumadie we badwam edidi so